डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। हम खेला करते थे। वी यूज्ड टू प्ले। वी यूज्ड टू प्ले। क्या तुम जा पाए? कुड यू गो? कुड यू गो? क्या तुम यहाँ सो पाओगे? विल यू बी एबल टू स्लीप हियर? विल यू बी एबल टू स्लीप हियर? हम कभी नहीं भुला सके। वी कुड नेवर फॉरगेट। वी कुड नेवर फॉरगेट। मुझे अपने आसपास कोई नहीं चाहिए। आई डोंट नीड एनीबडी अराउंड मी। आई डोंट नीड एनीबडी अराउंड मी। शायद वो जा रहा हो। ही माइट बी गोइंग। ही माइट बी गोइंग। उसे मुझे बताना चाहिए था। ही मस्ट हैव टोल्ड मी। ही मस्ट हैव टोल्ड मी। अब उसके खर्चे तुम्हें उठाने पड़ेंगे। नाउ यू विल हैव टू बियर हिज एक्सपेंसेस। नाउ यू विल हैव टू बियर हिज एक्सपेंसेस। दोनों कभी भी आ सकते हैं। बोथ कैन कम एनी टाइम। बोथ कैन कम एनी टाइम। मैं पक्का जाऊंगी। आई मस्ट गो। आई मस्ट गो। ये प्रश्न कोई नहीं कर पाएगा। Nobody will be able to solve this question. Nobody will be able to solve this question. मुझे कुछ कहना है। I have to say something. I have to say something. हम खेलने चले जाते थे। We used to go to play. We used to go to play. मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need anybody. I don't need anybody. मुझे तुम याद करते थे। You used to miss me. You used to miss me. शायद वो तुमसे मिले। She might meet you. She might meet you. उसे क्या कहना है? What has he to say? What has he to say? मैं आ सकती थी पर मैं नहीं आ पाई। I could have come, but I could not come. I could have come, but I could not come. मैं घूमने कभी नहीं जा सकती। I can never go for a walk. I can never go for a walk. तुम्हें झूठ बोलने की आदत है। You are in the habit of telling a lie. You are in the habit of telling a lie. कुछ भी हो सकता है। मैं कह नहीं सकती। Anything can happen. I can't say. Anything can happen. I can't say. वो मुझसे दूर कभी नहीं जा सकती। She can never go away from me. She can never go away from me. राम मिठाई खा सकता था। Ram could have eaten the sweets. Ram could have eaten the sweets. मैं कभी गाना नहीं गा सकी। I could never sing songs. I could never sing songs. तुम मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हो। You can come to meet me. You can come to meet me. तुम समय पे क्यों नहीं आ सके? Why could you not come in time? Why could you not come in time? अंगूर खट्टे हो सकते थे। Grapes could have been sour. Grapes could have been sour. तुम्हें मेरा आभारी होना चाहिए। You should be grateful to me. You should be grateful to me. क्या मुझे चेहरे पर कुछ लगाना चाहिए? Should I apply something on my face? Should I apply something on my face? वो किसी तरह वहां पहुंच सकता था। He could have reached there somehow. He could have reached there somehow. राम को उससे कभी नहीं मिलना चाहिए। Ram should never meet him. Ram should never meet him. लोग तुम्हारे बारे में सोच सकते थे। People could have thought about you. People could have thought about you. जिंदगी आसान होनी चाहिए थी पर नहीं थी। Life should have been easy but was not. Life should have been easy but was not. मुझे वक्त का पाबंद होना चाहिए. I must be punctual. I must be punctual. उसने कहा कि वो हमारी मदद करेगा. He said he would help us. He said he would help us. लोग तुम्हारे बारे में गलत सोच सकते हैं. People can think wrong about you. People can think wrong about you. तुम्हें मुझे याद दिलाना चाहिए था. You should have reminded me. You should have reminded me. उसको मुझसे जरूर मिलना चाहिए था. He must have met me. He must have met me. उसे कहाँ जाना है? Where has he to go? Where has he to go? वो कहाँ से आती थी? From where did she used to come? From where did she used to come? क्या वो जाना चाहता है? Does he want to go? Does he want to go? तुम्हें इतनी जल्दी नहीं सोना चाहिए. You should not sleep this early. You should not sleep this early. तुम जब चाहो आ सकते हो. Whenever you want, you can come. Whenever you want, you can come. तुम्हें कम से कम वहाँ जाना चाहिए था. You should have at least gone there. You should have at least gone there. तुम जल्द ही अंग्रेजी बोल सकोगे. Soon you will be able to speak English. Soon you will be able to speak English. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि वह स्वार्थी होगा. I had never thought that he will be selfish. I had never thought that he will be selfish. तुम जब तक चाहो तब तक काम कर सकते हो. As long as you want, you can work. As long as you want, you can work. क्या वो ये काम कर सकेगा? Will he be able to do this work? Will he be able to do this work? तुम्हें उसके घर वापस जाना चाहिए. You must go back to his home. You must go back to his home. मुझे मालूम था कि वो जीतेगा. I knew that he would win. I knew that he would win. तुम इम्तिहान पास नहीं कर सकते. You can't pass the exam. You can't pass the exam. मैं आपको धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी. I would like to thank you. I would like to thank you. मुझे संदेह नहीं था कि तुम जीतोगे. I had no doubt that you would win. I had no doubt that you would win. तुम खा सकते हो. You can eat. You can eat. मुझे लगा कि वो कभी नहीं आएगा. I thought that he will never come. I thought that he will never come. मैं तुमसे सिर्फ एक बार मिलना चाहूँगी. I would like to meet you only once. I would like to meet you only once. वह पक्का बस से गया होगा. He must have gone by bus. He must have gone by bus. तुम्हारे प्रयत्न सफल होने चाहिए. Your efforts must be fruitful. Your efforts must be fruitful. तुम किससे बात करना चाहोगे? Whom would you like to talk? Whom would you like to talk? मुझे गाली सुनने की आदत है. I am used to listen to abuses. I am used to listen to abuses. तुम्हें कल उससे मिलना था. You had to meet him yesterday. You had to meet him yesterday. आज मुझे शॉपिंग के लिए जाना चाहिए था. I should have gone for shopping today. I should have gone for shopping today. पहले मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगी. First, I would like to ask you a question. First, I would like to ask you a question. तुम्हें मेरे परिवार से मिलना चाहिए था. You should have met my family. You should have met my family. क्या मुझे रात भर जागे रहने की आदत है? Am I used to be awoken whole night? Am I used to be awoken whole night? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? भगवान हमें माफ करे। May God forgive us. May God forgive us. क्या मैं अब जा सकती हूँ? May I go now? May I go now?